In view of the upcoming elections and to reduce infection transmission rates during political gatherings, I have issued a gazette that provides guidance on how political parties can conduct their activities and rallies. There remains a restriction of gathering for more than 20 persons. However, where higher numbers of persons are required to gather, permits with specified locations, guidelines, and supervision may be granted by the Edo State government. We are now going to commence a gradual opening of the state after the outbreak peaks in 2 or 3 weeks' time. But immediately, the curfew which was imposed in the state is now relaxed, will now commence from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Schools will remain closed. However, guidelines for phased reopening of schools are being developed together with the Federal Ministry of Education, especially in JSS 3 and SS 3, who are preparing for their exit examinations. I encourage all Edo parents and guardians of pupils in primary schools to continue to utilize our e-learning platforms for their educational needs while they are still at home. We will continue phased relocation and reopening of our markets, and we strongly appeal to traders and market union leadership to strictly comply and enforce government directives on social gathering measures for their own health and well-being. Following consultations with the Christian Association of Nigeria and other religious bodies, we will commence a reopening of places of worship. We are expanding screening and testing to religious groups and organizations and other business establishments. We call on all religious organizations to assist to drive modalities for the new norm and cooperate with the designated health and security agencies in this regard.
Each of the churches, the church, the mosque, are being directed to constitute committees, COVID-19 committees in each church, and to set up screening teams and screening centers. The Ministry of Health leads these screening teams to go in for training, and this is to ensure ownership of the processes by the churches and mosques. And the guidelines are strictly written in black and white and be handed over to the leadership of the churches. The new guideline now is so depending on the capacity of the church, of the mosque, that this regulation has been adjusted. For capacities that initially should take between 50 to 100, they are still advised to stick to 20 members at a time for each service. If they need to do more than one service, then they should have at least 2 hours in between before the following service. But for church capacities beyond 200 to 300, they are allowed to have gathering of up to 50. And thereafter we have the increasing numbers depending on the capacity initially of the church or the mosque. We have been able to arrive at, but those that have capacities beyond 800, then we have set 200 max in the church per service. And they can run 1 or 2 services at a time during the officiating days, but have 2 hours as transit time in between services.
Interestingly, I investigated and met one-on-one with Amaka. So it's so good that we're here together. And I showed Amaka her results. I'm the husband. The results which I still have in my phone as I stand here, maybe I can give it to you. Amaka knew too well that she was a confirmed case, and Amaka's baby was coughing profusely. In fact, we were concerned about that baby. She told us that she went to buy drugs. On her way, she saw they were doing screening, and she decided to take the screening and promised to even bring her husband. When we went to search for her as contact tracers, she denied, and I decided, good, I didn't take your sample, so I don't really know you. So I went to fetch with my team. We went to fetch the person, the lab scientist that took it, the person of Anita, and we went back to her house. And she saw Anita and she agreed that yes. And she agreed that, she even said she was going to come with the husband. And she told us that she cannot move with us this night. Though she's feeling very good, but the illness has passed. And we told her no. The results as of today shows you are positive and we are afraid for your baby. We need to also test your baby. So I was surprised to hear those cooked up stories. And I always shook my head because somebody told me, train her to say such things. Even the neighbors, we are not angry because for us, we keep integrity because of stigmatization. I packed my car far away. So nobody, because a big compound, and we walked to her. We didn't need to tell the neighbors what was happening. And so the neighbors were not quarreling with us the next day. Why didn't you tell us? We said, okay, we are going to tell you as soon as she moves because you have contact, not just exposing her when everybody will start stigmatizing her. You never said they were not aware. But Amanda came out to say, never encourage her, I don't want to go into that. But this is the truth of the matter. I was part of it.